Friends, let us try to analyze one of the greatest movies of the recent times, Bahubali, released in 2015. Well, let us try to understand the very powerful character, Sivagami Devi. We all know that she is the Rajmata of Maheshmati kingdom because of her abilities to lead the state. She has been called as the Rajmata of Maheshmati kingdom. We could know her abilities when Martand tries to dominate Maheshmati kingdom. She recognizes the plan, and with the help of Katappa, she finishes Martanda. Her knowledge of kingdom, her knowledge of the state, her knowledge of politics, her nature, everything make her ideal character. So those who see her would believe that she is the ideal character. She follows certain principles of politics. And as a result, she receives the great respect from her colleagues, from the people in the state Maheshmati kingdom, and because of her straightforwardness, because of her principles, no one dares to go against her. As an ideal lady, she accepts the filial responsibility. Bahubali, who is not her son, but she shoulders the responsibility to take care of Bahubali along with Bhallal Dev. But as the movie goes ahead, we could see the secret aspects of Sivagami Devi's personality. As a mother, although she does not express her love for Bhallal Dev, the instinct for Bhallal Dev's betterment is seen in certain activities of Sivagami Devi. Actually, Bhallal Dev killed Kalkeya, and as it was decided, actually Bijal Dev, the father of Bhallal Dev, had declared that one who kills Kalkeya would be declared as the king of Maheshmati kingdom. Sivagami Devi has not reacted on this So Bhallal Dev deserves to be the king of Maheshmati kingdom. Even she knows that very well. But as her image in the society, as her image in the Maheshmati kingdom is very ideal, as a lady of principles, she declares Bahubali as the king of Maheshmati kingdom. But looking at the three personality aspects, id, ego and superego, Sivagami Devi indirectly wants Bhallal Dev to be the king of Maheshmati kingdom. So whenever Bahubali makes the mistakes, Sivagami Devi very strictly orders against Bahubali's mistakes. For example, the declaration of Bhallal Dev as the king on the mistake of Bahubali selecting Devsena as his life partner. But whenever Bhallal Dev makes the mistakes, she keeps mum. When Devsena is brought up into the Sabha Mandap with the bedis in her hands as a criminal who has cut the fingers of Setupati, Sivagami Devi keeps mum. The next example is when Bhallal Dev declares Setupati as the leader of soldiers and releases Bahubali from the responsibility. Sivagami Devi keeps mum. So it was her instinct, mother instinct, that she shows the people that Bahubali is wrong and Bhallal Dev listens what Sivagami Devi tells. Her statement, मेरा वचन ही मेरा शासन है, is actually the declaration of not democracy. We could see the power, we could see the dictatorship in it. As no one has the daring to go against Sivagami Devi, she deliberately says, Mera vachan hi mera shashan hai. Actually, it is Devsena who exposes Sivagami Devi. He exposes the Maheshmati kingdom. It is only Devsena who has the power to do that. Now this is a beautiful presentation where we find one mother, that is Sivagami Devi, taking care of two sons. One is her original son Bhallal Dev and another is Amarendra Bahubali. And in the same movie we find two mothers taking care of one son. That is Devasena and Sanga. Actually Devasena bears Mahendra Bahubali, and it is Sanga, the tribal woman, takes care of Mahendra Bahubali. And therefore at the end of the movie we see that both Devasena and Sanga take the responsibility to crown Mahendra Bahubali, to offer the crown of kingdom as the king of Mahishmati. Now while talking about Sivagami Devi's death, we could feel that her death could be analyzed as a poetic justice. She intrigues, actually, although it is said that she has become the victim to the intrigue of Bhallal Deva and Bijal Deva. Probably she knows very well what Bhallal Deva and Bijal Deva are doing. And therefore, she orders Katappa to kill Amarendra Bahubali. And the poetic justice is that she orders one son to be killed by Katappa, and her fate is like that. She is killed by her another son Bhallal Dev. So in other words, we could say that what you plan for others, you may become the victim of this. You may face the same trouble and problems. So on the one side we see Sivagami Devi as an ideal character, and on another side we could see the instincts, the hidden instincts that even Sivagami Devi did not know. In the next lecture we will try to analyze another powerful character of the movie, that is Bahubali. Thank you.